Hello, my name is Mark Ledford, and today I'll be presenting my project to y'all. So this is my logo design that I chose, the black and white, and it's just a simple blueberry with I made a star in the middle, and I cut off the corners to make it seem like a stress mark towards the blueberry, showing its features. And then these are the color choices I chose. I chose a bit of a winter green, dark green kind of mixed in with kind of like a Goku kind of orange. And then mixed it in with a little bit of a purple violet kind of mood. More like a bluish, purplish color. And then I mixed it in with the red lava effect. Or color, not effect. And in here I have my pattern, and this was designed with the colors that you saw earlier. And these are the choices I have made with 4 different structures, designs, logos. And the red, as you can tell, is supposed to be a flower, but I made it really pointy, so it should, I forgot what kind of flower it's called, but it would be one of those kinds. And then you have a shape of a star mixed in with a little bit of a circle in the middle of it, cutting it out. And then you have a flower kind of like deal going on. It's supposed to represent a little bit of a daisy, but just in a black and white kind of sense. Oh, it was 3, my bad, not 4. And these are the 2 typographies that I chose in this. The first one, I don't know how to say that because it's in Japanese or Chinese or Mandarin, whatever language it is. But I liked the font, mainly just because of how bold it is and how it just seems normal to everybody, to everything. After that, I'm going to try and pronounce it, but the second one is a Tiro Gormuki. And it has a bit of the same, it looks a bit of the same structure, but it overlaps and continues on just a tiny bit on the letters. As you can tell with the B, if you compare the 2 typographies together, the B's are different because the lines keep going. It's like you mixed in an I with a 3. And also the symbols look a bit different from the beginning. They don't overlap again. And these are my icon designs, which are the ones you saw previously in the pattern. The daisy, the spiky flower, and then it was supposed to look kind of like this. The star, but some reason my screen is making it look different in pigments. Yeah, it sees more of a lighter blue than the purplish background. And then I tried to make a bunny with the animal cruelty free. But it looks kind of like a cat mixed with an owl. But the ideal is supposed to be a bunny. I'm thinking now maybe if I've made the ears more rounded, maybe it would look more like a bunny. But yes, so this is my presentation on these 4 logos. These are my logo design. This is the 4 colors I chose, and yes, I did forget to put the CMYK and the RGB. I just realized that after I looked over it. And here is the colors that fade into white. And then the pattern, of course, with the 3 different logos or designs. And then the typography, the 2 different kinds that I have chose. The Japanese one, and then the Tiro Gormuki. And here's the icon designs, sort of icon designs. And then my cruelty-free picture. I really hope you enjoyed the presentation. And my name is Mark Ledford, and hope you have a good day.